Residents of Delhi NCR are gearing up to celebrate Diwali today, with some extending celebrations into tomorrow. However, with worsening air quality levels in the city, there is rising speculation over how weather conditions might impact pollution levels after the festivities. Delhi's AQI was in the very poor category today morning at 328. The Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology, Pune, said that the air quality in the national capital is likely to be in the very poor category today and tomorrow. The air quality may also reach the severe category on these 2 days in case of additional emissions from firecrackers and stubble or waste fires. Meanwhile, the Delhi Metro has revised its schedule for today. The last train service on all stations will commence at 10 p.m. instead of the usual 11 p.m.
Of Diwali, and the people of Delhi have woken up with a worsened air quality in the national capital. We are right now standing at the Akshardham area, and I would also like to show you the visuals here that there is a thick layer of smog which is being engulfed here in this particular area, as the air quality index have once again reached to the very poor category. As per the data which has been released by the Central Pollution Control Board, it shows that the air quality index of the national capital stands at 329 currently, and in some of the areas it has also worsened to reaching the severe category. We would also like to mention here that in particularly the Anand Vihar area, the air quality index currently is at 419, which comes under the severe category, as the people of Delhi have been forced to wear masks. The elderly are not being able to step out of their residence. In fact, it is the kids also who are facing the respiratory problems because they are being forced to breathe in this toxic air. On one side, we have also seen that how the Aam Aadmi Party government in Delhi have imposed ban on the firecrackers, as yesterday only the national convener of Aam Aadmi Party, Arvind Kejriwal, had urged the people of Delhi not to burst firecrackers, as he has said that this is nothing related to the issue of religion. It is something which is about each and every breath of the Delhiites, as each and every breath is very much important. Their health is very much important. However, we have also seen that the politics is continuing regarding this entire matter. The Aam Aadmi Party government is blaming the BJP at the center, saying that they are not coordinating, they are not cooperating. The nearby states where the BJP is ruling, whether it is Uttar Pradesh or Haryana. On the other side, it is the BJP which is blaming the Aam Aadmi Party by saying that they haven't taken the appropriate steps on the time. Their promises have been completely failed, as they have just banned the firecrackers in the national capital because they are having an anti-Hindu mindset. But it is also a fact that firecrackers contributes a very less amount in the air pollution in the national capital, as the major contributor is the vehicular pollution, to which Aam Aadmi Party government hasn't taken any kind of steps. This politics is continuing, but it is the common man who is suffering day by day because they are being forced to breathe in this toxic air. However, we will be seeing that whether there will be any solution which is going to be found out on the part of these governments, or this issue will continue in the upcoming days, as it is also being mentioned by some of the experts that the air quality index is expected to be worsened in the upcoming days after Diwali.